best product research tools for Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can increase the sales of our Shopify store. So I will be giving out 3 different Shopify tools that you can utilize in order to find the trending products out there. First one is sellthetrend.com. Here you can start a free trial as well, and after that you can find out the products in any particular niche over here quite easily, and it is quite good. You can also find different products that are winning the market right now. So second one is Facebook ads. Here you can simply start right now by creating an ad over here, and it is quite helpful when it comes to finding the good products for you. Third platform is Amazon movers and shakers. Here you can simply scroll down and check out the winning products out there which are currently trending in the market, and simply get them to your Shopify store and sell them for the big profits. So I hope this short tutorial was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.